that spread my wings so high. I see the river flowing, water running by. I'd like to be that river, see what I might find. I feel the wind I blow and slowly changing time. I'd like to be that wind that swirl and shape the sky. I smell the flowers blooming, opening for spring. I'd like to be those flowers open to everything. Change the leaves, the snow and the sun. I'd like to be those seasons made up and undone. I'd taste the living earth, the seeds that grow within. I'd like to be that earth, the home where life begins. I see the moon arise and reach it into night. I'd like to be that moon, a knowing, glowing light. I know the silence as the world begins to wake. I'd like to be that silence as the moon